ChatGPT is like the worst thing for creating content on LinkedIn, but with right tweaking, you can actually create very, very decent posts. And if you watch this video till the end, I'm going to show you a super duper secret stuff that you will look at and you'll be like, no way, this is absolutely amazing. I want to create content like that. So without further ado, let's just get right into it. A very quick thing actually, before we get going, go on and join my community, LinkedIn B2B Marketing Secrets. 10 people, I get in there for free, the first ones, and then the prices will be going up like there is no tomorrow. So let's get first to ChatGPT. So now I'm going to assume that I am like, how is the process looking like? So we're going to assume that I work as a SEO agency for an e-commerce store. Okay, so I deal with e-commerce folks and I run an SEO agency. The first thing I want to really to understand is the trigger events that lead my clients to be a problem aware and finally start searching for an SEO agency. So what are they? So to do that, I'm going to simply type in what are the trigger events for an e-commerce company that starts looking for an SEO service, and I'm going to hit enter right here in ChatGPT. Now ChatGPT is going to spit out some stuff. So what am I looking for here? I'm actually looking for stuff that is very, very painful. Yeah, so it's all about the same thing and over again, but I'm looking for something that is painful. So for example, in this case, increased competition, yeah, that will be more painful to them than say expansion into new markets, because expansion into new markets, it's like, oh, we want to expand, but once you got like competitors kicking your butt, well, there's a problem. So I'm going to look into this increased competition thing. I'm going to say, okay, pick increased competition and give me 5 strong hooks for a LinkedIn post. Now I'm going to hit the button again. So as you can see, I'm not asking ChatGPT to spit out the post directly at me. I'm going step by step. So first I'm looking for some themes, then I'm looking for a strong hook. So lost your top ranking keywords to a competitor is costing you sales right now. How do you compete with brands that have bigger budgets and better rankings? So maybe that's actually a good one. If your competition is outranking you, they are taking your customers too. I like this one. So if your competition is outranking you, they're taking your customers too. So now we're going to say, okay, this one is the actual hook, and you can also include, like, for example, I like it to be no more than 6 words, so I say make it 6 words. And competitors outrank you, they're taking customers. I also like to play a little bit with like the rules inside the company, so I can say e-commerce, ecom CMO, can say why our competitors are outranking us on Google, even though our content is better. So this is the hook part. As you can see, it's not exactly the same as ChatGPT spit it out, but ChatGPT is there to suggest. Yeah, so it gives us a good idea. And now based on your experience and understanding of the, I didn't write it, I didn't say it right, ecom CMO should be like this. So it gives us the idea. So it reduces time to action. So that's exactly what we want to do. Now, the next thing what I'm going to do, now we've got this hook part. Yes, we've got this first line and we've got this thing. And to see the rest of the post, people have to click see more. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to say use PASS framework, and PASS stands for problem, agitation, and solution, to create a catchy post on LinkedIn. Start with this. So now we're moving along into this whole process of post creation, and PASS is the best framework to use for LinkedIn content, basically for any type of content. It's really good. Problem, agitation, solution. So now I'm going to click enter and see what ChatGPT comes up with it. So as you can see, it started with ecom chief marketing officer, and then it's given us some content here. But as you can see, if you read through it, it's like, meh, it's like, okay, I wouldn't publish this one. Actually, that's pretty good. Like that's the stuff that kind of um, spit out here. It's not too bad. So if you want to keep this post, sometimes it actually comes up with a decent stuff. So what you can do is basically tell it rewrite the post without the headlines for pass, so it comes up clean. I'm going to type it here, and you can see now it's the clean post itself. But what if I wanted to make it even stand out even more? Like, how do I turn it into a beautiful post? That's actually, it's not too bad, this one. But how do I make it even prettier? How do I make it, turn it into the one of those LinkedIn style format posts that people look at and like, yeah, man, I like this. It's just the format. Now, I collected a list of LinkedIn post structure templates for ChatGPT. And as you can see, this is the first framework here, and I'm going to show you. So I'm just going to copy it here, and I'm going to tell ChatGPT, okay, now rewrite the post using this framework. And that's the present I was talking to you about at the very, very start. And now I'm actually going to, yeah, now it's better. So now I'm going to click enter and see what happens. Now it's going to rewrite the whole thing using this specific framework, and you can already tell how much better it looks like, right? It's just so much better. And it actually makes sense. Don't rely solely on great content, neglect technical SEO issues, ignore competitive strategies. Of course, this is not the very specific type of post that you would create using your own content. So for example, I love creating short videos where I speak to my clients or people I interview, and I create content out of those, because then you can feed ChatGPT something you actually mentioned. Yeah, so something very, very specific. And then it produces even better quality content, something very, very specific. But this is good enough, as you can tell. Now, if you want this template and 50 plus, whatever, other ones, you have to go and join this marketing secrets place. And here you are, the templates right here. So go on, join the community, 10 people get in for free, the rest will have to pay for the rest of their life. And I hope this video has been helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Go subscribe to the channel. I'll be sharing a lot more stuff like that. All right, take care.